Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to do the portfolio update for September 2024. I apologise, this is a bit later than normal. However, I had things on at the start of the month, so I do apologise for that. If you guys could like and subscribe, that would really help the channel out. And just a wee disclaimer as well that any information presented on this channel and in any of these videos are only for entertainment purposes. Please make sure to do your own research before you start investing. And speaking of starting to invest, you can sign up with Webull and get free shares up to £3,000. I've put my link in the description if you would like to do that. Again, there are risks that do apply. Okay, so what is my aim for investing? It's to create a passive income stream of dividends. This will be achieved mainly by investing in large cap UK companies who pay a reliable dividend. I, however, use the stocks and shares I sell on Trading 212 platform and the Vanguard platform to shield my investments from tax. I hope that one day I'll be able to create an income stream that allows me to retire early from dividend payments effectively. Okay, so we'll jump straight in. So Trading 212 this month, September, is looking good. It's dropped slightly as the UK markets went down, and I'll jump over to Trading 212 in a wee minute and I'll show you through what the account looks like over there. So current amount is £24,896. Okay, so I added £138 this month. However, it will be much more next month as I have more money coming in next month. My dividends this month, I'll show you through on the app what these were. But I received £47.96, bringing the total dividends for Trading 212 received to £1,119.41. Okay, so we're now over to the Trading 212 platform on the web app. As you can see, that is just the total amount that I've got. I've invested £22,896. However, some of that is dividends that have came back and been reinvested. So if we scroll down, I'll scroll down, and if anyone has any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comments, and I should hopefully be able to answer any of your questions that you have. So yeah, there's some big gains in there. Persimmon, Rolls-Royce, huge for me. Don't pay dividends, Rolls-Royce, however, I believe they will, and it was more of a growth stock that I picked. And there's a few smaller ones in there that I'm just monitoring. I've lost a lot of money on Volkswagen and a lot on Stellantis, but that's okay because I do believe in the companies long term. However, I have been reading some things that are not great about the companies recently. So the pies, I've stopped doing the Buffett pie and the European pie. I may start doing them again in the next few months. However, the Buffett pie is still looking good, and the European pie is not looking as good. However, I've not really lost any money as I've had dividends received, which are not shown in the overall makeup here. So what we'll do is we'll jump over to the dividends received on Trading 212 and I'll show you through there. Okay, so this is the total dividends I've received, but when I'm filming this it's actually more, so these are actually feeding into next month. So the August ones, I'll scroll through again, and if you'd like to ask any questions about them, large one from UK Wind, which is just Greencoat. So they were probably the biggest, I think, of last month. There wasn't much coming in August, to be honest. September looks like it's going to be a much better month, and October as well for Vanguard. Okay, so we'll jump back over and we'll go through the Vanguard portfolio now. Okay, so that's us back over to the Vanguard portfolio. The ISA that I opened for 2021 and 2022-2023 years currently has £23,874. I only added £18,794, so that's 27% gain on this money. So really happy with how Vanguard's going. Also, again, there will be dividend payments next month. There'll be none this month, so they'll probably be shown in the next video. And it just takes me over to the total amount, which is Vanguard's got £23,874, NS&I 9,571, Swissborg, which is my crypto, 451, and Trading 212, 24,896. So that brings my total to £58,794.88. NS&I will actually be shutting this month for me. My growth bond runs out, so I'm going to be moving that money into Trading 212. So that'll be happening later on this month as well. Okay, so we'll just go over to the total dividends for the month. So it was only the £47.96 that I made in the month of August. So that brings the total dividends all time to £2,117. So what we'll do is we'll jump over to the tracker that I use on Excel, and I'll show you through over there. Okay, so that's us over to the Excel spreadsheet. So this is where I track all of my investments. I've actually got a video on how to do that, and I'll leave that linked somewhere on the screen at the moment. So currently I've got my £58,794. That brings me with a total of 10.61%. And that means that my investments have gained £4,844, so £1,205 off my target as well for this year. So hopefully should hit that by the end of this month. That would be the ideal plan, and just my dividends up to this point as well. So that's just what I showed on the PowerPoint. Okay, so we'll jump back over to the PowerPoint and wrap up the video. Just love to say a massive thank you guys for the support, and if you guys could like and subscribe, that would be fantastic, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.